Can you get dual apps on your iPhone iOS 17? The answer is no. You can't duplicate or copy any apps on your iPhone. But still, as we can see, I have two Instagram here. Now I will explain how I installed two Instagram apps here. So if I open the first Instagram, this is basically the Instagram application which I installed from my app store. And the second Instagram is the website. Now I will show you how I added the second Instagram here. To do that, you have to open your browser and open Instagram website. You can also add a shortcut for Facebook, Snapchat, WhatsApp. So open the website that you want to duplicate, then tap on the share icon. And now tap on add to home screen. Tap on add, and as you can see, the Instagram is added here. So this is how we can duplicate apps on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Tutorial River. See you in the next video.